We are the Science Cowboys. We shoot science from the hip.
Hello, my name is Alex Richy.
And my name is Anastasia LaCurieuse.
Today
we're gonna present
you
eco-friendly hydrogen oxygen rocket. In 2016, this project won the silver medal at the Hydro-Québec Science Fair Régional de Montréal.
First, I'll start with the introduction. Future of the space travel. In the future, people colonize space. They'll go live on the moon, Mars, and other planets. There will be hundreds of rocket launches daily. The most important question is, are current rockets safe? Absolutely not. Most rockets' fuels are extremely toxic for humans, animals, and plants.
Now I'm going to be talking about the motivation of the project, construction of the environmentally safe rocket. The first question is, can rockets be environmentally safe? Yes, using hydrogen and oxygen gases as fuel produces water vapor as exhaust. Combining hydrogen and one molecule of oxygen equals 2 molecules of water and heat. The heat makes the water into water vapor at high pressure. The second question is, can we make rocket fuel without damaging environment? Yes. By taking water and zapping it by electricity, it would make 2 molecules of hydrogen and 1 molecule of oxygen. The third question is, why hydrogen and oxygen fuel production is environmentally safe? Because there is a lot of water and hydroelectricity on our planet. About 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Canada is the world's second largest production of hydroelectricity, and it generates the majority of its electricity from hydroelectricity. Now the hypothesis of our experiment. There are 2 parts. The first part is, we can use water and electricity to make environmentally safe rocket fuel, hydrogen and oxygen. Second part is, by mixing hydrogen and oxygen in the container, then igniting the mixture, we can fly the rocket.
Now I'm going to be talking about the methodology of the experiment. First, production of hydrogen and oxygen using electrolysis of water. Electrolysis of water is the decomposition of water into oxygen and hydrogen gas due to the electric current being passed through the water. In fact, is the electrochemical reaction breaks water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. Electrical current is passed through the tank filled with water mixed with baking soda. Hydrogen and oxygen bubble at the steel electrodes that are the forks. Now the gases are collected in the water-filled beakers like this. Now we're going to make an electrolyte, which is important for the gas generation. So first we have to fill up the pot with water, then add lots of baking soda and mix it well. Baking soda makes water conduct the electricity.
Now we are going to prepare the beakers to collect the gas. First, we are going to fill them up with electrolytes.
Now it's for Papa Pavlov to make the final preparations. I have to mount the beakers filled with electrolyte upside down, touching the electrolytes. And I have to insert the electrodes inside. This is difficult and requires adult supervision.
Now it's time for the gas production. First, you need to connect the batteries to the electrode. So Alex is pressing on the button and the current is flowing through the electrolyte. And now the rocket fuel is preparing.
And if you do a close-up, you see there are lots of bubbles generated on the electrodes. In this one, we collect oxygen. The bubbles are big. And in another one, we collect hydrogen. And the bubbles are very, very small, and there are lots of them.
Now we're gonna conduct a test for oxygen. We're gonna light up a match and put it inside of a container of oxygen. So the match lights up really brightly. That means there's oxygen inside. So, to fuel the rocket, we first need to fill the rocket with water. Then we get the hydrogen beaker and we put it under the rocket to transfer the gas.
Carry it like this. Nani, go fix it. Careful the wire. Okay, fix it. Okay, all fixed? Good. The igniter is inside. Okay, now we go inside and let's test if it's gonna work, okay?
Okay.
Go inside, connect the wire. Do not press the button before I say so. This is for security. No, connect it to the tip. Nanya, check if the current is flowing. Press the button. 3, 2, 1, go. No,
It's starting.
it's starting? Whoa. Did you see it?
Test for hydrogen is a success, and now in slow motion.
Methodology of the experiment, part 2. Testing for the hydrogen rocket. To make a hydrogen rocket, we fill a plastic bottle with hydrogen gas. Then we put the igniter under the rocket and we light it up. The oxygen outside combines with the hydrogen inside, and there's a little explosion and the rocket flies up. When hydrogen and oxygen combine, it forms hot vapor at high pressure. The water vapor leaves the rocket at high velocity and the rocket flies up.
Well, hello, Rocketeers. Are you ready to launch a rocket today?
Yes!
Who's gonna be pressing the button? Me! Okay, good, because last time Alex did it. Alright. So, we'll be pressing the button. Not now, not now. Then the current will flow. And then we will launch our rocket. And it's gonna carry an airplane.
Our first rocket is gonna be mine.
That's right. How the rocket is called?
It's gonna be hydrogen rocket.
Right, Science
Science
Cowboys,
Cowboys,
Rocket 1, heavy rocket. Alright, ready?
Hydrogen.
Ready?
Yeah!
Alright. Давай. Whoa.
Yes!
Hydrogen rocket test is a success. And now in slow motion.
No! Yes! No, it fell in the pool.
And that's another close up for you.
Methodology of the experiment part 3. Testing for hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen-oxygen rocket. To make a hydrogen and oxygen rocket, we fill it up part hydrogen, part oxygen, and the rest with water. And igniting the hydrogen-oxygen mixture, it makes a mini explosion and lots of light. Inside of the bottle, a water vapor is created at high pressure. This water vapor expels the water at high velocity and the rocket flies up. We're now preparing for the hydrogen-oxygen rocket test. This is dangerous because hydrogen and oxygen mixture is explosive and really dangerous. That's why we're gonna ignite it from inside of the house, so the blast door is gonna protect us. An oxygen-hydrogen rocket launch is a success. And now in slow motion. And here is another view in slow motion.
Conclusion: hypothesis of the experiment is correct. We can use water and electricity to make environmentally safe rocket fuel. By mixing the two gases and igniting them, we can fly a rocket.